Hey everyone, welcome back to our Flutter Instagram clone series. Today, in part 6, we're taking our Instagram clone a significant step further. In our previous segments, we've meticulously crafted the homepage UI, designed the post interface, and set up Firebase to store our data. Now, we're at an exciting juncture. We'll be diving headfirst into integrating Firebase into our app, connecting our home page to fetch and display posts dynamically from our Firestore database. We've laid the groundwork for this moment. It's time to bridge the gap between our app's front end and the back end. I'll guide you through setting up listeners, retrieving posts from Firestore, and seamlessly populating our homepage with the latest content. By the end of this video, you'll witness the magic of Firebase as we see our Instagram clone come alive with real-time posts fetched from the cloud. This integration not only enhances our app's functionality, but also brings us closer to replicating the Instagram experience. I'm thrilled about this phase of our development journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on future parts of this series. So let's not delay any further. Let's synchronize our homepage with Firebase and see our app flourish. Firstly, on our home screen, I've implemented a StreamBuilder to seamlessly retrieve data from Firestore. With this approach, I'm leveraging the StreamBuilder widget in Flutter, allowing us to asynchronously fetch data from our Firestore database. This powerful widget helps in managing the state of our data retrieval process, displaying a loading indicator while awaiting the data and then rendering the fetched information onto the screen once it's available. Copying and removing this part for future use. Coding within the StreamBuilder, I've set it to return the post widget once the data is received. However, if the data hasn't arrived yet, it displays a circular progress indicator, ensuring a seamless user experience. Order by, time, descending, true. It orders the documents in the posts collection based on the time field in descending order. This means the data retrieved will be sorted by the time field in reverse chronological order. Snapshots. This method retrieves the data as a stream. It listens for changes in the posts collection and returns a stream of snapshots containing the most recent data that matches the query criteria. This code creates a stream that continuously provides updated data from the posts collection in Firestore, ordered by the time field in descending order. Snapshot.data refers to the data received from the stream. In this context, it's a snapshot of the collection obtained through the stream you're listening to. Docsindex.data accesses a specific document within the collection. Here, you're accessing the document at the given index in the snapshot's data and fetching its contents using the data method. Determine the number of iterations required to build the list based on the available data in the snapshot. If the data is not yet available, it defaults to 0 to prevent any potential errors while the data is being fetched. cache.network image is a Flutter package that provides a widget for displaying images from the network while caching them to improve performance. This package simplifies the process of loading and displaying images from URLs in Flutter applications. Now, I want to create a custom widget that takes an image URL parameter to display an image fetched from the provided URL. Inside the build method, you're using cache network image to load and display the image from the specified image URL. Fit. Boxfit.cover ensures that the image covers the entire widget area. Progress Indicator Builder defines a widget that displays while the image is loading. In this case, it's a circular progress indicator embedded in a container with padding around it. Error widget specifies the widget to display in case of an error while loading the image. Here, it's a simple container with an amber color to indicate an error occurred while fetching the image. Now, as I revisit the post widget, I'm utilizing the data from the snapshot to populate its content. Wrapping up this video, we've successfully implemented the integration of Firestore data within our Flutter application. We've utilized StreamBuilder to dynamically fetch and display content, further enhancing the functionality of our app. In the next segment, we'll delve deeper into refining the user interface and adding interactive elements. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this Flutter Instagram clone series. Thanks for watching.